Can't copy text from a PDF? Let me show you how to convert any scanned PDF into fully editable text in just a few seconds using a completely free tool. A lot of PDFs out there are actually just scanned images sitting inside a PDF file. That means you can't select the text, you can't highlight a line, and you definitely can't copy and paste anything out of it. It's basically a picture pretending to be a real document. You've probably run into this with old textbooks, scanned notes, or documents someone emailed you as a photo instead of a proper file. But with OCR, which stands for Optical Character Recognition, you can fix that completely, and it only takes a couple of minutes. With OCR, you can extract text from images or scanned PDFs no matter how messy or old the original file is. You can copy and edit that content as easily as any normal text document. You save a huge amount of time that you would otherwise spend retyping everything by hand, line by line. You can convert notes, books, contracts, or old paper documents into a fully editable digital format. And you can reuse that text for assignments, work projects, or content creation instead of starting from scratch every single time. It's honestly a massive time saver, and once you start using it regularly, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Students use it for textbooks, professionals use it for old contracts and reports, and creators use it to repurpose text from screenshots and images. For this, we're going to use a free tool called VelaPDF. No login required, nothing to install, and no hidden fees. You just open it in your browser, and you're ready to go. Step-by-step demo. Step 1. Open the VelaPDF website and select OCR PDF from the Tools menu. It's listed right there with all the other tools, so it only takes a second to find. Step 2. Upload your file. You can upload a scanned PDF or just an image file directly. It really doesn't matter which one you start with. This works on all kinds of source material. A photograph page from a book, a page of handwritten or printed notes, even a quick screenshot you took on your phone. As long as there was readable text somewhere in that image, OCR can pull it out and turn it into real text.
Step 3. Adjust your settings before finalizing anything. You can crop the image down to just the document itself, removing any background clutter around the edges. Step 4. Convert to PDF. Once everything looks good in the preview, click on Convert to PDF, and the tool processes it right there in your browser without any extra waiting. Step 5. Download. Your scanned PDF is ready, and you can download it instantly to your device, ready to send wherever it needs to go. And that's the whole process, from a random photo to a clean, professional PDF in just a few clicks, with nothing complicated in between. Take a look at the before and after here. What started as just a regular photo now looks like a proper scanned PDF document. Clean edges, clear text, and a genuinely professional finish. This is perfect for assignments you need to submit online, office documents you need to keep organized in one place, ID proofs you need to upload for verification purposes, and receipts you want to store digitally instead of losing them in a drawer somewhere at home. No scanner required, no extra hardware, and no trip to a print shop. Everything happens online, right from whatever device you already have in your hand at that moment. It's one of those small tools that ends up saving a surprising amount of time once you start using it regularly, especially if you're someone who deals with paperwork often, whether that's for school, your job, or just managing your own personal documents. Try it yourself. The link is in the description below. And if you found this useful, subscribe for more simple, practical tools just like this one, because I'll keep covering these every single week. Got it. Here's the SEO package for the Scan to PDF video.